Hello, and welcome back to Ed's DIY Handyman Show. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the plastic tilt bar on these Plantation blinds. As you can see, the bar completely slid off the tilt bar pin tracks. What happened is the plastic end cap fell off and I lost it. There was nothing else to hold the tilt bar from sliding off. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to provide you with the website address for the company that sells very reasonably priced replacement parts for Plantation blinds. I'm going to start the process by sliding the plastic tilt bar pin strips into the track on the tilt bar. Considering that I'm holding the camera in one hand and sliding the tilt bar with the other hand, I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Each tilt bar pin track attaches to 3 blinds. Now, if you have a 3.5-inch thick blind, then there are likely only 2 blinds per track. Once the tilt bar is slid all the way to the top, I place a piece of masking tape on the top to prevent the tilt bar from sliding off. Well, then I can go and get my glue. Believe it or not, if you wanted to, you could just leave that piece of masking tape on the top to hold things in place. This setup could actually last many years, especially on a blind that isn't used very often. Now it's time for a little Gorilla Glue. I slid the tilt bar down about 1.5 inches. I then apply a small amount of Gorilla Glue onto the track. After I slide the tilt bar back up to the top, it's time to place a piece of masking tape on the very top to hold everything in place while the glue dries. It takes about 2 hours before it dries and about 24 hours before it's totally set. Okay, it's been about 2 hours. I'm going to go ahead and remove the masking tape and test the blinds. It works perfectly. The only drawback about gluing the plastic tilt bar to the pin tracks is that if one of the pins break on the blinds, you can't remove the tilt bar. It will be Gorilla Glued in. The most professional way to repair the blinds would be to replace this end cap. You can order this part on shutterpartsdirect.com. I was impressed with their selection of replacement parts. This part cost me $4.95, plus shipping and handling, which was $6.95 no matter how many parts I ordered. If you found this video helpful, please press the like and subscribe button. It really does help out my channel.